Good morning. Welcome to chemistry. I wanted to show you real quick what your plan looks like for chemistry. So what you'll see is I tried to go through an update so you're not seeing everything. Notice last week you're still seeing some stuff. Just disregard that. So for this week, what I have here is I have an orientation checklist. And then I have your orientation material. You're not doing everything in that orientation material, so follow the checklist. I'll pull this up and I'll show you. So what you're going to do, this welcome video was from the beginning of the year, but it's not going to hurt just to watch it. So you have the syllabus. I want you to go through, read the syllabus, complete this survey. It's a Google survey. We still use Google a lot. And then this Let's Get Started quiz. Go ahead and do that. So it's just these things right here. You don't need to watch these two orientations. So that's what you need to do for today for chemistry, just to get you started. We are actually in Unit 4. So we're going to have our mid-test on Friday. Tomorrow for Class Connect, it's question and answer. And for chemistry, we have Class Connect at 11:05. And then on Thursday, we're going to have a review. So I'd like for you to attend those, just so you can come in, see how we flow and stuff. And I don't know that I said I'm Mrs. Scott either, so welcome if I didn't say that already. So the next week, we are actually going on to the second half of Unit 4. So I'm going to have you start there with us. I'm not exactly sure what you covered at your old school, so when it comes time for the final, you're still responsible for everything we've covered so far. So it wouldn't hurt if you send me a K-mail and just tell me the topics that you've covered. So then that way I can say, okay, well, here's the rest of the stuff we covered, or, you covered everything, kind of like that. So again, orientation today. Get that finished by tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and try to get you set up with a little bit of the first part of Unit 4 review this week, just so that in case you haven't covered it, you'll be ready to go next week. And then we do actually have Thanksgiving break starts the 24th. So we just have next week and then that Monday, and then we're actually on a break. So be sure to K-mail me if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and we're going to have a great year.